What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about TEL coin today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. Rest in peace, Charlie Kirk. Rest in peace, Arena. And rest in peace to all the brave men and women who lost their lives on this day back in 2001. It is the 11th of September today. Here we are at about half a cent right now, a little bit above that. 3 days, it says 23 hours, but 3 days and 22 hours left in the week here. If we're looking at this on a daily time frame, we have 22 hours and 4 minutes left in the day here. We had a rather bullish finish to yesterday, moving up 5.5%. We're talking about TEL coin because somebody requested it recently. We haven't talked about it in a while, and they were asking if I could do some analysis on it or why I haven't talked about it in a while. And I was saying, hey, I like it. I like this coin. I just kind of forgot about it. There's so many things to talk about. We look at the chart and I'm like, damn, I really like this. I like it a lot, actually. It's a really nice chart. I just made a video about XYO talking about the same thing. This very nice rounded bottom. Come on, man. I'm trying to draw rounded bottom pattern here. Go ahead and look up on Google, ChatGPT, Grok, whatever. Ask your favorite AI, what does a rounded bottom pattern, a frying pan, a saucer pattern in charts, what does it mean? It means massive accumulations happening. And what is the result of that? The result of that is something spectacular, right? The result of that is, massive accumulation, you get supply shock, you run through the roof. Here we are at half a cent looking to run through the roof. I mean, looking at this overall, let's just talk about it. I do believe that you'll see new all-time highs. I'm going to take this low. I'm not going to take the fake out lows. I'm going to take this low here. You look like you're respecting this pretty well, right? I would expect that this thing probably sees prices anywhere from about 19.6 cents, which gives you a 38x, wow, to potentially 80 cents, which gives you 151x. Okay, that would put you well above a $100 billion market cap, but I think it's attainable. I think it's something that you could see. Again, this kind of formation implies massive accumulation. You've got this, it's almost like a cup and handle, right? You got this like handle here even. This right here, man, the institutions or the big players involved who didn't get their fill down here, they've been chomping it up over here. And when that supply shock is realized, the move that you're going to get is larger than anything you've seen since 2021. You're going to see a massive explosion. So massive that by the end of this year, you could very well be at new all-time highs. You're at half a cent now. Your all-time highs are at 6.5 cents, right? You could be at 20 cents by the end of this year, you guys. It could be absolutely bananas, okay? I wouldn't be surprised if your next move, maybe by the end of October or sometime in November, took you to about 4 to 2.7 cents, somewhere in there. I also wouldn't be surprised if it took you beyond that. And by the end of the year, I wouldn't be surprised at all going beyond that and seeing higher prices, right? Ultimately, we're looking for a 20 cent to an 80 cent price by the end of this cycle. And to be completely fair, you could even go beyond that. You have that capability. You've been through 2 bear cycles and a bull cycle. And you've been through a good bit of this bull cycle as well. You've been through the hard times. And that's what attracts smart money. That's what attracts institutions. In this institutional cycle, they're not going to invest in brand new projects. These institutions, these large wealth individuals are going to put their money in something that has stood the test of time and has been through hardship and can show that it's got growth over the coming cycles. It's not just here for one cycle. It's not a one and done, right? This is clearly not a one and done. Anyways, very massive accumulation phase right there. Looking at this on the short-term time frames, let's actually look at this on the 1 hour time frame real quick here. 1 hour time frame looks very bullish. I like it. Looks very, very good. You probably do continue moving up. Stochastics look a little bit bearish in all fairness, so maybe you come down a little bit. I doubt you go below half a cent, but it's possible. I wouldn't think you go too much further below that, though. Unless Bitcoin sees some kind of harsh rejection. Of course, if Bitcoin sees a harsh rejection today, then you probably do go lower. But if Bitcoin doesn't have a harsh rejection, if we actually close here or higher by the end of the day, if we close above 113.5K, I would very much believe that we actually do see some tremendous growth in a very short amount of time for TEL coin, that the low is in, okay? 4 hour time frame, RSI looks good, stochastics look all right, and the MACD is actually right at a point where you'd expect it to bounce. It looks pretty damn good here, so good on all fronts. Beyond that, we look at the daily time frame, and you are in this massive accumulation phase here as well, right? Massive accumulation inside of massive accumulation. It's the 3rd day of December. all the way over here to September, man. This year, December last year to this year, you've just been accumulating. Very nice horizontal channel with a little divot right here, a little divot down here. Horizontal channel, very massive accumulative phase. And I would bet that whenever the supply is dried up, this thing's going to have a very easy time. By the way, I meant to say it's going to have an easy time moving higher. Your indicators look really nice. I like the daily RSI right here. Neutral, but overall bullish. Stochastics look bullish. The MACD is actually kind of bearish here, but you are building bullish momentum, which is bullish, so that's good. Overall, you guys, I think that your next move is going to take you up to fantastic levels. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we saw a move that was stronger and larger than this move here, right? So something from where you are now, that would take you up to 3 cents. I mean it, man. By the end of October, you could be at all-time highs. By the end of the year, you could genuinely be at 20 cents. The move that's coming is going to be explosive. You have this parabolic shape about you. I'm not drawing it properly, but you can kind of see it with the eyes, right? Maybe that second one was drawn better, right? You can see it. As parabolic structures go, what defines them is the curvature, but the curvature defines stronger moves and stronger corrections and stronger moves, right? So you're only going to get stronger as time goes on. You genuinely could be at new all-time highs by the end of this next move, which could be as early as October, end of October, November, if not the end of this year. And then going forward, going into the end of the cycle, we should be seeing some extraordinary stuff happen. I don't have anything else for you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. One last rest in peace to Charlie Kirk. It's truly tragic what happened today, and I feel not obligated, but nobody's obligating me, but I just feel like I have a platform, and it feels wrong to not say something. So that's the main reason. Take care. Take care of each other. Give your kids, if you don't have kids, give your parents all the love that you can, because tomorrow is not promised. Give your loved ones love. I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.